Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making hachee. This is a Dutch beef stew. It is filled with onions, beef and all other kinds of delicious products. I'm gonna show you how to make it today. So, let's start. Start by cutting the onion into strips and set them aside. Put some butter in a heavy bottom pan like a cast iron one. Cut the beef into chunks, not too big and not too small. Once the butter is melted, put in the beef. Sear them on all sides and make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Add some freshly grated black pepper and salt. Once the meat has been browned, take it out and set it aside. Add an extra knob of butter and start baking the onion we cut earlier. Make sure the beef stock is hot and ready to use. Now for the herbs. We're going to use cloves and bay leaves. I'm using a tea egg so you can easily remove the herbs afterwards. You don't want to bite into a piece of clove. You really don't. Once the onions are getting some color, add the beef stock. Add some brown sugar and white vinegar. This makes the meat really tender. Add back all of the beef and put the tea egg with the herbs in it as well. Let it simmer for a minimum of 3 hours. Plenty of time to have a walk with the dog. Put some flour into a bowl and add a splash of water and mix this together. Add this to the mixer to make it a bit thicker. You can see how tender the meat has become. Delicious! Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next, and I see you in the next video.